Hello everyone, this is Rashi Ghosh from Freshers Camp, back again with regular updates of job notification, be it IT jobs, diploma jobs, government jobs or any other job notification. We also provide you with regular announcements of off-campus job or walking jobs held in all over India. Today in this video, here I am with the latest announcement of the Flipkart Off Campus Recruitment 2024 hiring of software development engineer. If you're new to our channel and haven't subscribed our channel yet, then do subscribe, like, share and comment down any queries. And also do not forget to hit the bell icon for more further updates. Flipkart is one of the largest e-commerce company. Flipkart has announced an off-campus hiring in its official career website. Candidates who are interested can apply from the registration link which have been given in our description box, and all the candidates are requested to go through the detailed information before applying for the post. Candidates having a degree in BTech from any batches can apply for this post. The job location will be Bangalore, India, and the candidates can expect the salary as per the company standards. Candidates should be a deep expertise in at least one programming language and substantial experience in building complex and scalable solutions. Candidates should have strong object-oriented design skills. Candidates should have the ability to apply design patterns. Candidates should also have the ability to design modules and inter-class intervalence. Experience with full life cycle development in any programming language. Experience in building data-driven application web. So I hope this video was useful to you. So thank you for watching, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon for more further updates. This is Rashi Ghosh from Freshers Camp. We'll be back again with regular updates of job notification from all over India. Till then, see you.